Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add travel documents on United Airlines account. So first we're going to open the United Airlines app. Then once you guys are here, we're going to click on the profile section on the top right corner. Then here we're going to click on TSA PreCheck and travel documents. So now you guys could add your passport, your address number, as well as your non-traveler number or pass ID. So for example, we want to add our passport. We're going to click on add passport. Then by clicking on agree, they're going to allow us to take a photo of it. So that's how you upload your passport. You can also do your TSA PreCheck number. Then once you're done, you're going to click on save. So that's how you add your travel documents. It's an easy tutorial. You guys can find this app in the App Store or Play Store. It's such a helpful app. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.